Welcome again to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bijal Dave. Today I'm going to show you the second part of vegetarian lettuce wraps. Today we'll be making chickpea quinoa lettuce wraps. So let me show you the ingredients. For this recipe I have a whole cup of boiled chickpeas. This gives out about 14 grams of protein and lots of fiber. I have half a cup of cooked quinoa. This gives us about 8 to 10 grams of protein and again lots and lots of fiber in addition to other things. I'm also going to use some potatoes. I have 4 or 5 baby potatoes boiled here. Lots of potassium, magnesium, fiber. Now I'm going to add some cilantro for a little flavor, a little lemon, jalapenos. If you don't have this, you can use crushed red pepper, and this is the Asian ginger garlic dressing. It's the vinaigrette that we made last week. So I'm going to use this as a dressing for the lettuce wraps. Of course, our lettuce, and you can use any flavoring you like. I'm going to use the zesty lemon pepper seasoning here. Okay, so let's start making this. So the first step is we are going to take the baby potatoes into a big bowl. Okay, along with the chickpeas. We can use about half of the chickpeas here. So you can adjust the quantity accordingly, and I'm going to give this a rough mash. Actually, I'm not going to like mash it completely, but just roughly so that things integrate together. So I've finished mashing this. Okay, you see how I've given it a rough mash. Now to this I'm going to add some quinoa. I'm going to add about 2 big scoops of quinoa. Okay, and then of course the cilantro. I'm going to adjust the spiciness to your taste. I'm going to add this. These are roughly 2 small chilies or 1 jalapeno, and of course I'm going to zest it with some lemon. Now last but not the least, I'm going to add this lemon pepper seasoning salt because I like the taste. Now I'm going to just mix everything together. Okay, so guys, I've mixed this well. Now to that I'm going to add some garlic powder. It'll give it a little flavor, and a little bit of salt. We always need salt, right? So we're going to adjust salt to our taste. I'll add roughly half a teaspoon, and that's it. This should be ready now. Just mix it well together, and I will show you how to serve this. So guys, I have my lettuce leaves ready, and our filling is ready. So we're just going to put the fillings on top of our lettuce leaves, and it tastes so nice. I just gave it a taste. It is a very zesty, lemony taste. Now to this I'm going to add the Asian ginger vinaigrette that we made last week. So we are going to drizzle this on top of our filling. Oh my god, look how amazing that looks. Ooh, talk about gourmet here, guys. And this is made right in your kitchen, super healthy, and I will tell you in a moment how delicious this is. Okay, so let's give this a taste. So guys, just see how delicious this looks. Okay, it looks so inviting. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. Oh my god, this is so flavorful. I can taste the ginger and the chickpeas and the quinoa. Oh my god, I could eat this all day, you know. Okay, so I have shown you 2 different kinds of vegetarian lettuce wraps. They are both super protein packed, super fiber packed, and you get multiple vitamins and minerals from this. So guys, go ahead and make this. This can be your dinner, or this can be the thing you serve at the next party. So subscribe to Make Food Thy Medicine. We are on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and let me know, give me your feedback. Let me know how you feel about this recipe. Okay, thank you. Until then.